Building an empire worth $100 million isn't easy, but 7 kids from humble beginnings in the UK made it possible. 7 school-time friends, KSI, Simon Minter, Vic Barn, Harry Lewis, Josh Bradley, Ethan Payne, and Toby Brown, started Sidemen to have fun and play video games. Over time, it evolved from a simple hobby into one of the most recognized and lucrative YouTube groups globally, creating a vast empire spanning multiple platforms and ventures. Sidemen are one of the most famous groups on YouTube, with an estimated net worth of $100 million. These are not exact numbers for their net worth, but rough estimations based on their diverse revenue streams. The journey to this staggering figure was neither straightforward nor swift. Initially, the group was merely a gathering of friends who shared a love for gaming and content creation. The members were each running their own YouTube channels, gaining individual followings by posting videos that catered to different niches: comedy, gaming, vlogs, and challenges. The group's chemistry was undeniable, and fans quickly took to their collaborative content. What started as casual uploads of them playing video games together soon became a more structured and ambitious project. Their appeal lay in their relatability and humor, but more importantly, in their consistency. Every member of the Sidemen was posting videos regularly. 4 of them were even posting 2 videos every single day. This relentless content creation kept their audience engaged and coming back for more, which significantly contributed to their rapid rise. Olajide Olatunji, better known as KSI, was instrumental in catapulting the group to fame. With 2 YouTube channels that regularly attracted millions of views, KSI brought significant traffic to the Sidemen. His unique blend of humor, charisma, and creativity helped set the tone for the group's content. Additionally, Harry Lewis, aka W2S, also played a crucial role with his soccer-related content. His popularity soared to new heights when he filmed a video with Cristiano Ronaldo doing a soccer challenge in his backyard, a feat that few YouTubers can claim. KSI's influence extended beyond the realm of YouTube. He was also making waves in the music industry, with his tracks topping charts in the UK and in the boxing world, with his high-profile matches against fellow YouTuber Logan Paul. These ventures brought a whole new audience to Sidemen, particularly from North America, significantly boosting their subscriber count and brand visibility. Despite their success, the Sidemen wanted to expand their reach further and considered creating a YouTube original show. However, YouTube informed them that they needed to increase their viewership to make this possible. This feedback led to one of the most significant changes in their careers: the creation of Sidemen Sunday. Sidemen Sunday quickly became the backbone of their content strategy. The group committed to posting a high-quality video every Sunday on their shared channel, Sidemen. Although the series began as a way to prove to YouTube that they could garner enough views for an original show, it ended up being far more successful than anyone anticipated. Since its inception in late 2017, Sidemen Sunday has accumulated over 4 billion views, with some individual videos reaching over 96 million views. The success of Sidemen Sunday can be attributed to the group's ability to adapt and innovate. They continuously experimented with different formats, including challenges, skits, and collaborations with other popular YouTubers, ensuring that their content remained fresh and engaging. This adaptability is a key factor in their longevity and success in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. While YouTube ad revenue contributed significantly to the Sidemen's wealth, it wasn't the sole source of their income. The group was savvy enough to diversify their revenue streams, which played a crucial role in building their $100 million empire. Their first major venture outside of YouTube was the launch of their premium content platform, Side Plus. Side Plus offers fans exclusive content, such as behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, and other perks. Priced at around $10 per month or $92 per year, Side Plus has become a significant revenue stream for the group. The platform has not only strengthened their financial position, but also deepened their connection with their most loyal fans, providing them with a more personal and intimate viewing experience. In addition to Side Plus, the Sidemen have capitalized on their massive fan base by launching their own merchandise line. Sidemen Clothing, their official merchandise brand, started with basic items like t-shirts and hoodies, but quickly expanded to include a wide range of products that appeal to their audience. The merchandise line has been a massive success, with products often selling out within hours of release. This venture has not only brought in significant revenue, but has also helped to establish the Sidemen as a brand beyond just YouTube. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Sidemen's success is their group dynamic. Unlike many other YouTube groups that eventually disband due to internal conflicts or ego clashes, the Sidemen have managed to stay together and thrive. A key reason for this is their democratic approach to decision-making. The group has no official leader. Instead, they share responsibilities equally, with each member contributing their ideas and talents to the content creation process. This approach has helped to prevent the growth of ego and resentment, which often leads to the downfall of collaborative projects. It has also fostered a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect among the members, which is evident in their videos. The Sidemen genuinely enjoy working together, and this positive energy translates to their content, making it more enjoyable for their audience. The Sidemen's empire is not limited to YouTube and merchandise. They have ventured into various other businesses and collaborations, further expanding their brand and influence. One of their most successful ventures is the Nine Knives Vodka brand. Launched in 2020, Nine Knives Vodka quickly became a hit, particularly among their younger fan base. The brand's success can be attributed to the Sidemen's ability to market it effectively through their content, leveraging their massive following to drive sales. In addition to Nine Knives Vodka, the Sidemen have also collaborated with other brands and influencers to create unique and engaging content. These collaborations have not only helped to boost their visibility, but have also opened up new revenue streams. For example, their partnership with Gymshark, a popular fitness apparel brand, has been highly successful, with Sidemen branded Gymshark products selling out rapidly. While the Sidemen operate as a group, KSI has undeniably been the face of the brand. His success in various fields, music, boxing, and YouTube, has brought immense attention to the Sidemen, elevating them from a popular YouTube group to a global brand. KSI's match against Logan Paul in 2018 was a turning point for both his career and the Sidemen. The fight was one of the most watched events in YouTube history, drawing millions of viewers and bringing a new wave of fans to the Sidemen's content. KSI's influence extends beyond just bringing in viewers. His entrepreneurial spirit and work ethic have been key drivers of the Sidemen's success. He has consistently pushed the group to innovate and expand, whether it's through new business ventures, collaborations, or content ideas. His ability to balance his individual projects with his commitments to the Sidemen is a testament to his dedication and passion for the group. The Sidemen's impact on YouTube and the broader digital content landscape cannot be overstated. They have set a new standard for what can be achieved on the platform, showing that with the right mix of talent, creativity, and hard work, it is possible to build a business empire from scratch. Their success has inspired countless other creators to pursue their passions and has shown that there is no limit to what can be achieved in the digital age. In addition to their influence on other creators, the Sidemen have also had a significant impact on their audience. Their content resonates with millions of people around the world, providing entertainment, inspiration, and a sense of community. The Sidemen have created a brand that is not just about making money, but about connecting with people and making a positive impact on their lives. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed today's content. If you think we have missed any important point, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching.